Splash! The blazing sun shimmered above the sparkling ocean as a cheerful, bright yellow submarine bobbed gently on the soft blue waves. Inside, two best friends were buzzing with excitement. Captain Coral, with her twinkling eyes and trusty map, and Sunny the seahorse, always wiggly and eager for fun. Today they were about to begin their greatest journey yet, an A to Z exploration of curious creatures across the seven seas. Ready for launch? Captain Coral grinned, gripping the submarine's big steering wheel. Absolutely, squeaked Sunny, his tail curling into a little spiral. Let's unlock the secrets of the alphabet, one wonderful water creature at a time. A is for alligator. At their first stop, the submarine drifted near a tangle of mangrove roots. There, a grinning alligator floated beside the watery shore, showing off a dazzling row of teeth. Chomp, chomp, but don't worry, today I'm only snapping smiles, laughed Alligator, waving a big green claw. B is for blue whale. A rumbling, gentle whoosh made the submarine wiggle. A gigantic blue whale, as long as a playground, sang a deep song that tickled their ears and shook the submarine with friendly vibrations. C is for crab. On a sandy seabed, a nimble crab danced sideways, his red claws clicking a happy beat. Follow me, he cheered. Sideways is where all the best shells are. D is for dolphin. Up popped Dolphin, who spun in a sparkling spray of water, flipping twice before splashing down. Eee, she trilled. Sometimes learning feels just like leaping high and free. E is for eel. Whizzing through rocky tunnels came a silvery eel, slinking like a shiny blue ribbon, expertly dodging sunbeams and bubbles. F is for fish. Crimson fish, dotty fish, stripy fish, a glorious parade of fish swooped past the submarine in every shade of the rainbow. G is for giant octopus. 8 smooth arms swirled through the water as a giant octopus juggled glittery shells. One eye blinked. Good at juggling and waving hello, he winked. H is for hammerhead shark. Whoosh! There's hammerhead shark. Her head looked like a sideways hammer, and her big eyes peeked all around. I never miss a thing, she explained proudly. Eyes for iguana, marine. On a sunlit rock, a marine iguana nibbled salty seaweed. My scaly skin keeps me warm while I dine in the Wave Cafe. J is for jellyfish. Gently glowing, the jellyfish drifted by, their umbrella bodies shimmering in blue and pink. Join our gentle ballet, they whispered in unison. K is for koi fish. In a quiet lagoon, koi fish traced lazy loops, painting rainbow circles with their fins. Their calm made Captain Coral feel peaceful. L is for lobster. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.